really wanted to throw a fish. So, I got a fish. Hey, Olivia! Catch my fish! Oh, look at it. Do you want to see it? I think it's nearly dead. Olivia, where are you dead? Come on. Oh, wait. Oh no, I think it's dead. It's dead. I killed my fishy. I killed him. Okay, that's for now. We're throwing fish. Bye bye. I just threw my fish.